There's a snake in the garage!
How big is it?
Huge!
It's been a busy day today at CG Family Farm, and there's a few things, guys, that we really don't like to show you, simply because one, it gets kind of boring when you have to do maintenance around the house, and two, it really is a little bit, I guess you could say, embarrassing that you have a mess, and that's really how it goes down on the backyard farms. Very little do you see a backyard farm fully functional and being able to keep up with everything. It gets difficult, but that's why sometimes we don't show you everything. But I think today it's something important to let you guys know that you really got to try to upkeep around your home, because definitely when you have animals, remember we had that little heifer inside our garage. We definitely moved her out today because, I mean, it was just getting messy. It was getting trashy, bad inside the garage, and we just found one more reason why we shouldn't keep her in the garage anymore, and why you guys may need to consider not keeping animals in your garage because of this reason right here. So we finally moved the pallets and that straw that we had laying around there. It was bad. The little heifer, for the most part, didn't even stay inside of it. She jumped out and walked around the whole garage and pooped everywhere, so we had to move her outside. But under all that straw and all that mess, we found a snake, guys. All right, so that's what I'm telling you. They can find a little place around your garage, around your house to hoard, and anything you keep around there will cause a snake or rats to kind of find their little home. So it's back there behind that plant. I'll try to grab it safely, that way I can go and throw it out back in the pond and free her up far away from the house. Yeah, I see it. It's right here. You see it? Huh? It's right behind that white bucket. Look here, look. Come on this side. I'm trying to push this box back so come on.
Grab it?
I'm going to, but I got first to pull it out here. Where's the head at? There it is. And she is captured. So that's what you want to do, guys. If you find a snake, not all snakes are poisonous. See this one right here, just a simple little garter snake. Always try to pull it far back, stretch it out as much as possible. Then you find their head, step as closest to their head as possible. Once you grab their head, right here next to their jaw, they can't go nowhere. That's their little tongue, they can't bite you. They're harmless to you. So there's no need to actually kill all these snakes, because they actually do grab rats and they kill them for you. So she's a little strong, but she's not bad. So we're gonna have to go release her as far away from the house as possible, over there where we have that little back pond. Let's go show it to my son. Santi! What? Oh, you found a snake too? Look, you found a snake too.
No, I found a worm.
Oh, that's not a snake?
No.
Well, guess what I found? Come here.
A snake?
You found a little snake?
No, it's a worm.
Well, I found a big snake. Look at that.
Whoa! You eating me, right?
Yeah, just stay away from the face, okay? This side right here is dangerous.
Luna is killing it.
If you ever see a snake, don't touch the face. Stay away from the face. That's dangerous.
Don't touch anything. Oh.
Yeah, if you see a snake, you call Papi. You don't touch it, okay?
Okay.
Only if Papi has it.
The tail, here's the tail. Look at this tail. I like this snake so much.
Really, you're not scared of the snake? Yeah?
Don't put on my...
Look, Nelly. Mira. Go like this, Nelly. No, Cindy, stop. Stop.
It's gonna die.
Look, put your hand. Put your hand out. Put your hand out just like this. Mira.
No, I'm
Look.
scared. I don't want to. It can bite me.
No, I'm gonna go put it back there with his friends.
Where is his friends?
Allá in the water.
I want to go see. I want to go see.
All right,
Cindy.
let's go free her up. She's a little wrapped up on the handlebar here. Let go! She doesn't want to let go. There we go. There we go. Alright. Now to release it, we're gonna drop it, and the camera girl's gonna stay put, and I'm gonna take off running. All right, that's the plan. Why are you backing up? Why are you backing up? If Cindy don't try to eat it, get away, Cindy. Stop, Cindy. All right, ready? Hey. I'm just playing. Stop. Stop. Leave her alone, Cindy. Stop. Leave her alone. Go into the water.
I don't know. Camera girls. She's leaving now.
Yeah, she's good. And she's gone. Or he. Not sure what it is, but it's gone now. Alright. That's pretty far away from our little home. It's a good, I don't know, 2 acres between us and them. So hopefully she finds a good home back here and away from her house. So that is why we really have to clean around her home. If you guys have animals just like us, feed really attracts animals. Those baby chicks we keep in the garage, they really attract animals. So we really got to start cleaning things off and start pushing it a little bit further away from the house into the actual corrals and all the pens. But there you go, guys. There's a little video to show y'all the hazard of having farm animals around the house. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was fun. Now it's time to get back to cleaning and then enjoy the rest of the afternoon with the family. Till next time, y'all get out there and have fun.